Misbah Huda Safina.
Sabina! Hey! No! Don't dig!
Mine! Misbah, my drawing is bigger than your plant.
It's gonna grow, Huda. That's the whole point.
Hey team, how's the garden looking?
Great. Dad, I'm gonna water it every single day. I promise.
That's my boy. Plants count on us, you know.
Hi! Hey Misbah, does the garden look kinda dry to you?
It's fine. I'll water it later.
You sure? The soil looks kind of...
Huda, I've got it.
Drink. Misbah, the plant!
Later, Huda, I'm talking.
Wait, Misbah, did you water the garden today?
I'll do it after this.
Okay. Uh-oh. The tomato plant is drooping.
It droops sometime. That's normal.
It didn't look like that before. Oh, no! Owie. Misbah?
I forgot. I really forgot.
Aww.
Hey buddy, come sit with me. What do you think happened?
I forgot to water it a lot of days in a row.
I figured, where do you think that water in our hose come from?
The tap!
And before the tap?
The pipes?
And before the pipes?
A water tower?
And before that, rain, rivers, underground streams, clouds that traveled thousands of miles. That water in our hose started as a raindrop. It took an incredible journey just to reach our garden.
Wait, or water traveled?
Every drop. And Imam Ali alayhi salam said that water is the most precious bounty Allah gave us.
And you know what this water reminds me of, kids? Karbala. Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his whole family. They were kept away from water for days. Even the little ones were so thirsty.
I wasted it by not using it.
Being careless is kind of a waste too, yeah? But you know what? Plants are more patient than we think.
Up?
Let's find out. Alright team, who wants to help?
Me. I want to do it.
I made a ghetto card. Safina helped. Done.
The most beautiful card I've ever seen.
Not too much. Dad said not too much.
Is this one looking greener? I think this one's greener. Drink.
Huda, come outside right now.
What? What? Oh! Yay!
Alhamdulillah.
That's my boy.
Misbah Huda Safina.